Hi, I'm Tressa.
And I'm Scott. You were going to walk right over my line, weren't you?
Hi, I'm Tressa.
And I'm Scott.
Thank you for joining us in the 7th video and the final video in a series about what it's like to go to GCC.
Today we're going to learn more about the student services available to help you be successful at Glendale Community College.
We're here with Jessica Mateo, who is the Associated Student Government Vice President. As part of that role, she sometimes gives tours to students on campus and likes to take them by the places All right, this is rapidly becoming our line.
That was so bad. It makes everything else I've ever done look
to take
wonderful.
Them by some places.
What
was that?
What are you, Yelp?
One of those services is right here, and it's the Veterans Services Center. What can you tell us about this?
Well, the Veterans Service Center is basically help our veterans come into college, ease as possible into college as they can. They help with the GI Bill, financial aid, tutoring, anything that the veteran needs, they come and help and let them know how to get into college.
For those students who are still in high school, we have some services available to help you get started in college early. For example, we have the early outreach programs such as dual enrollment and ACE. Jessica, can you tell us more about that?
Well, dual enrollment and ACE kind of coincide with each other. They both can start in high school. You can start in your sophomore year as a graduate from ACE Plus. You can actually go in during high school and take college credits and learn how the college lifestyle is. And with dual enrollment, you can actually take some honors classes with high school and also as well get college credit.
Oh, sorry, we're standing right in front of, see this poor student trying to get services.
I know, I'm sorry. Another service that's available here at Glendale Community College for those students with disabilities is the Disability Services and Resources Center.
Students with disabilities here can come over to the disability area and talk to them about help in the classroom, for example, note-taking, interpreters, and as well assistive technology.
Another service available to students is the Global Education Services, which includes the Hoopa Learning and assistance to international education students.
Hoopa Learning is for the Native Americans that we have here at GCC to help them understand how it works. And then international is kind of tied with it as well. International, from being an ASG member, we actually have a club for international that come to us and let us know what's going on and how they meet up with each other to understand how classes are going and what information they can give to each other.
And finally, we're here with Andre, who's the Public Relations Representative for Associated Student Government, who's going to tell us a little bit about the Excel program.
The Excel program is a program for new college students. We provide them with a peer mentor and personalized advisement with the end goal of having them graduate on time.
So the 5 things, go ahead.
Well, no, we do that part out in the sun. So 5 things we learned today are...
First, we learned about veteran services and how they can help you with everything from your GI Bill to advising specifically for veteran students. Next, we learned about our early outreach programs, which are really for high school students who want to get a head start on college. Then we learned about disability resource services for students who may need a little extra help in the classroom. Next, we learned about our global education program, which also includes Hoops of Learning for our Native American students. And finally, we learned about the Excel program, which is for first-generation students. All of these services are to help students get started at college. For more information, visit gccaz.edu or follow us on social media at gccaz. Thanks for watching.
All right. Hi, I'm You done there, GQ? Okay.